Welcome to Arkbit's tutorials. To deposit and activate a smart investment contract, log into your account on Arkbit's website. Select your preferred package on the dashboard and click Invest to start the deposit. On the payment page with the pre-selected plan, enter the amount you want to deposit. Choose any one of the available cryptocurrencies. Click on Proceed button to preview the payment. Before proceeding with the payment, check your investment plan details and payment details once again. Click on the Edit button if you want to go back and make corrections. Then click on the Proceed to Pay button to initiate the payment. On the payment confirmation page, you will be provided with the payment amount and the payment wallet address. To deposit, you can choose to copy the exact amount and address to your crypto wallet or scan the QR code. After sending the exact amount to the specified address, click on Paid to check the transaction details. Thank you for watching.